Hello children. Now let us discuss about convex and concave polygons by using a mathematical activity. Children, do you know what is meant by a polygon? Yes, polygon is a simple closed figure bounded by line segments. To perform this activity, we required some materials. First, let us take some colored charts, a pair of scissors, scale and pencil, markers and fevistick. Take the colored chart paper and fold it many times in any way. Cut the paper along the folded lines into different shapes. These shapes are closed figures and these closed figures are called polygons. Paste these polygons on a paper. Here are 3 polygons. In the first polygon, it contains 4 sides and 4 interior angles. In the second polygon, it has 3 sides and 3 interior angles. And in the third polygon, it contains 6 sides and 6 interior angles. See children, in these 3 polygons, do you observe what about each interior angle? Please observe, each interior angle is less than 180 degrees. Now, if each interior angle in any polygon is less than 180 degrees, then such polygons are called convex polygons. So, these 3 polygons are the examples of convex polygons. See children, here are 3 more polygons. In the first polygon, it contains 5 sides and 5 interior angles. In the second polygon, it contains 4 sides and 4 interior angles. In the third polygon, it contains 6 sides and 6 interior angles. Please observe these 3 polygons, children. What is your observation? Here in each polygon, at least one interior angle is a reflex angle. In this polygon, it is the reflex angle. In the second polygon, this is the reflex angle. In the third polygon, this is the reflex angle. Children, what is meant by a reflex angle? An angle whose measure is more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees is called a reflex angle. Now, in these 3 polygons, at least one of its interior angle is a reflex angle. Such kind of polygons are called concave polygons. See children, till now we have observed some convex polygons and some concave polygons. Children, here is a question for you. While verifying whether the given polygon is a convex or concave, is it only one possible way while verifying its interior angle? Not required. Here is another beautiful way while verifying the given polygon whether it is a convex or concave. The method is a diagonal method. What is meant by a diagonal? A diagonal is a line segment which is joining by 2 non-consecutive vertices. Now coming to the first polygon, here are the diagonals. This is the first diagonal, this is the second diagonal. Please observe children, these 2 diagonals lie interior of the polygon itself. Here in this polygon, if you draw the diagonals, all the diagonals lie interior of the polygon. So, we can define that if the diagonals lie interior of the polygon, then that polygon is called a convex polygon. Coming to the remaining three, here if you draw the diagonals, here in this diagonal lie exterior of the polygon. In this polygon, if you draw the diagonal, even here also it lies outside. In this polygon also, the diagonal lies outside of the polygon. Here we can conclude that if at least one diagonal lies outside of the polygon, then such kind of polygons are called concave polygons. See children, till now we have observed that various convex and concave polygons by using a beautiful mathematical activity. Thank you children.